A fine tune takes weeks to build and weeks to disprove. A better prompt takes 10 minutes. Namaskar, my friends. And I understand the instinct completely. The model got something wrong, so it feels like it needs teaching. But if it simply did not know a fact, no amount of training reliably puts that fact in. So today, one rule, four things to try first, and the honest signal that fine tuning has genuinely become your answer. Cello. So here is the rule, and everything today hangs from it. Fine tune to change how the model behaves, retrieve to change what the model knows, and prompt for everything else, which is most of it. Say that back to yourself. My friends, how to behave, what to know, everything else. It is a rule about order, not about which tool is better. Almost every fine tuning project I have watched go wrong was really the second row wearing the first row's clothes. Somebody wanted the model to know something and they went and trained it when they could simply have handed it the answer. Now, the cook analogy, because it makes this obvious. Fine tuning is like teaching a new cook how your kitchen works. Less salt, serve it hot, always garnish. Do that for a month and he absorbs your style beautifully. But today's menu, the specials, the prices, what ran out at lunch, you do not teach him those. You hand him the card. And this is what people report again and again. Train a model on your documents and it picks up the flavor of them. But ask it a specific fact and it will often answer confidently and wrongly. Facts want to be handed over at request time, not baked in months earlier. Now, let me be completely fair because fine tuning is a real technique and some of you genuinely need it. Four places where it truly shines. One, a consistent output format every single time without you begging in the prompt. Two, a house style or tone that you cannot quite put into words but you can show in 300 examples. Three, one narrow task done millions of times where you want it small and cheap. And four, taking the behavior of an expensive model and pressing it into a little one. Notice what all four have in common, my friends. Every one of them is a how, not a what. And now the three reasons people actually reach for it, none of which are training problems. First, to teach it company facts. That is retrieval, or honestly, just paste the facts into the prompt. Second, to keep it up to date, which does not hold for long because the moment you finish training, the world moves on again. Third, and this is the most human one, somebody saw one bad answer and wants it fixed. My friends, you do not rebuild the kitchen because one dial was salty. You taste it, you adjust, you serve again. That is a prompt change and it takes a minute. Now the bill, because nobody budgets this honestly. The training run is the easy part. It is a command and a cup of chai. The work is the data set, finding examples, cleaning them, making them consistent, throwing away the bad ones. That is most of your 3 weeks, and it is not glamorous work. Then you have to prove it actually got better, which means a proper test set, which most teams do not have. And then the base model updates as it does every few months, and you get to do the whole thing again. A fine tune is not a purchase, my friends. It is a subscription paid in your team's time. So, the ladder, climb it in order. and stop the moment it works. Step 1, say the thing more clearly. You would be amazed how often the instruction was simply vague. Step 2, show it one or two worked examples, because showing beats explaining always. Step 3, constrain the output, give it the exact shape you want back, and refuse anything else. Step 4, retrieval. If the answer lives in a document, go and fetch that document. And only now on step 5, fine tuning. In most projects I have seen it ends at step 3, and the team never needed steps 4 or 5 at all. Now, how do you know you have genuinely hit the prompting ceiling? 4 honest signals. You have a real test set, 50 cases, 100 with the right answers written down, not a feeling. Your 3 best prompts all plateau at roughly the same score. So the ceiling is real and not just this one prompt. The remaining failures are about style or format, never about missing facts. And you need it cheaper or faster at serious volume. If all 4 are true, my friends, then go and fine tune with a clear conscience. You are not being lazy, you have earned it. And here is the practical reason to try the prompt first. A prompt costs nothing. You change it in seconds, you test it before lunch, and if it is wrong, you have lost an afternoon. A fine tune costs you a data set before you can even start, and it takes weeks. Not to build it, my friends, but to find out whether it helped. Which of those two would you rather be wrong about? So hold on to the rule. Fine tune for how to behave, retrieve for what to know, prompt for everything else, and climb always from the cheap end. So, to recap, fine tune for how to behave, retrieve for what to know, prompt for everything else. Fine tuning is genuinely good at format, at style, at one narrow task, at scale, and at shrinking a big model into a small one. It is not good at installing facts, and it cannot keep anything up to date. The dataset is most of the cost, and the base model will update and make you do it all again. So climb the ladder, clearer instruction, worked examples, structured output, retrieval, and fine tune only when you have a real test set and every prompt has plateaued. Permission granted, my friends. Put the fine tune down and go and rewrite the prompt. And tell me in the comments what you were about to fine tune for. I suspect half of them are prompt problems. AI Academy by Concept Good